Want to learn how to use Tenable for fintech security? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how Tenable can help protect your financial tech systems, safeguard sensitive data, and ensure your business stays ahead of cyber threats. Stick around because you'll discover exactly how to implement Tenable for fintech and protect your assets, all in a few minutes. But before we get started, I want to let you know that you can get this software for completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Just check the first link in the description below to grab your free trial. Let's dive right in. First, Tenable is a leading provider of vulnerability management tools, and it's highly effective when it comes to securing fintech environments. What sets it apart from other tools is its ability to continuously scan your systems for vulnerabilities, including network systems, cloud assets, and even applications. You can track everything in real time, which is crucial for fintech businesses where security breaches can lead to massive financial losses. Next thing, one of the most important features of Tenable is its ability to provide a comprehensive risk assessment. For fintech companies, this is key because you're handling critical financial data, and even the smallest vulnerability can have far-reaching consequences. With Tenable, you can evaluate the risk level of each vulnerability, making it easier to prioritize which issues to tackle first and address them before they become a problem. The third thing is Tenable's integration capabilities. It seamlessly integrates with other fintech tools you're already using. Whether it's other security solutions, CM platforms, or cloud management tools, Tenable can connect with them and provide a consolidated view of your security landscape. This makes monitoring much simpler and more efficient. Next up, Tenable's vulnerability scanning and continuous monitoring can significantly reduce your exposure to cyber threats. Since fintech companies deal with a constant flow of financial transactions and sensitive client data, a breach can destroy your reputation and put your clients at risk. Tenable helps you proactively patch and close gaps that attackers might exploit. This ongoing monitoring allows your team to stay ahead of threats and be prepared for anything that could come your way. The fifth thing is Tenable's customizable dashboards and reporting tools. You can generate detailed reports tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're doing a quarterly audit or an immediate response to a potential issue, you'll have the data you need at your fingertips. This makes decision-making faster and more data-driven, which is essential for any fintech organization. Now, let's talk about compliance. If you're working in the fintech space, you're likely subject to strict industry regulations and compliance standards like PCI DSS, GDPR, and others. Tenable has pre-built templates and reporting mechanisms designed to help you maintain compliance, so you can easily demonstrate that you're meeting these requirements. The last thing to mention is the exclusive and extended free trial offer that we've secured for you. Tenable is already a powerful tool for fintech security, but with the added bonus of an extended free trial, you'll be able to test out all these features for yourself. You can start securing your fintech systems without any commitment and see the results firsthand. In conclusion, Tenable is a must-have for any fintech business looking to stay secure and compliant. With continuous monitoring, detailed risk assessments, seamless integrations, and robust compliance tools, it's an all-in-one solution for tackling the cybersecurity challenges that fintech companies face. Remember, if you're ready to try Tenable for yourself, you can get access to a completely free extended trial by clicking the first link below.